Hi, I am Rajveer and welcome to Rajveer's World. So our story is called The Lost Kitten, and this is our daddy and
this is the daddy cat.
yeah.
And this is the mommy cat. And
Yes.
how many kittens they got?
Let's see. 1,
Wow.
2,
2,
2,
okay.
and now 3,
3, okay.
and 4.
Oh, 4, okay.
Now twins are 5 and 6.
Yeah, these are the twins. Nice.
And one kitten got lost because the wind blew.
And what are those behind you? Those. It's a big cat. It's a mega cat.
Because they are their grandparents.
Oh, this is Chi, the grandparent.
And Luna.
Luna, okay. Okay, let's go to the story now.
So, one cat got blown all the way.
Oh.
Meow, meow, meow.
Oh no, one cat is missing. Okay. And the number blocks are going to find them or what?
Yes, in pairs. 1 goes with 2, and 3 goes with 4. 5 goes with 6.
So many are going to find them all at once.
Oopsies.
Let's start with 1. Let's start with a few.
Okay. So, 1 and 2 group will go first.
Okay.
Let's check on the inside the chair.
They're not
No. Let's check on top of it. No. Let's check inside our tray. No. Now it's 3 and 4's pair.
Now 3 and 4 are going to try to search.
Yeah. Let's check over here. No. It's inside the box. No. Is it behind me? No. Nowhere.
The kittens, the mommy and daddy kids are missing the kittens.
Yeah. Now it's 5 and 6's turn. Let's check over here and over here. Ooh, but 3 said I've already checked that. And I'll do us over behind here.
Found it.
Meow. Let's have you back home, last kitty.
Ah, the kitten has reached the home.
Meow.
Yeah. The mommy and daddy are happy now.
And our grandparents.
Yeah.
Let's go back to Numberland.
job, Numberblocks.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number blocks. 1 and another one is 2. Another one is 3. That's me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 with the number blocks. Number blocks. Uh-oh. 9 fell down.
That's alright.
9 loves being a square. So he goes like this. And 4 loves being a square too. And 1's also a square. And Mummy is so happy. And in our next episode, it will be meeting 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15.
Alright.
Bye-bye. Thumbs up.